Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view the declined transactions on Navy Federal application in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Navy Federal application. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you are going to see this type of home page in front of you. So you need to tap on your account you want to basically check, like your checking account or your savings account. After selecting it, it is going to show you all of the transactions that you have made. So all of your pending transactions will be shown here. So you can tap on the drop down menu and you can filter it out based on these things like declined, failed or rejected. So as soon as you filter it out as rejected, it is going to show you all of the payments that's been declined or rejected. So you can also try searching for the that particular transaction by the date or the keyword like declined in order to find them faster. Then tap on any of the transactions in order to view more details like the reason of decline or merchant info. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.